Hey friends, I'm about to show you how to make a very popular recipe on the blog, egg roll stir fry. Some people call this inside out egg roll in a bowl, but it's basically all the goodness of an egg roll without the carb-laden wrapper. This version has turkey, lots of veggies, so stay tuned and you'll see how easy it is to make. I've already sauteed my turkey in some EVLO, and I'm just gonna season it with some soy sauce. Now you could use coconut aminos if you don't like to use soy, but then when you use a lean meat, all you have to do is saute all of your veggies and then combine the two. Okay, so I've got all this in, and I'm gonna put just a little water. I'm going to add a little soy sauce while it's cooking. The reason I added the water is because it's gonna help steam the veggies. If you try to just stir fry it, they're gonna burn before they cook. Now, one very, very helpful tool if you want to steam things more quickly and efficiently is to have a lid for your pan. It traps the steam and it just helps cook these veggies much more quickly. So this is gonna take just a few minutes and it'll soften these up and we will finish this egg roll stir fry. Looking just the way I like it. Tender, but still has a little bit of crispness. A little bit of bite. So now what I'm going to do is add the fully cooked turkey. So you're going to stir, and then we're going to add the sauce. Okay everyone, we have a fabulous egg roll stir fry. It has all the goodness of an egg roll without the carb-laden wrapper, and this could not be easier to make. I hope that you all will give this a try, and you have a fabulous day.